Freeagent tutorial for beginners. How to get started with Freeagent accounting software. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Freeagent, an accounting software designed for freelancers, small businesses, and contractors to manage invoices, expenses, and taxes easily. You can go onto freeagent.com, and from there you can create an account by tapping on Try Freeagent for free. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on the dashboard, the first thing I want you to do is customize your company information. To do this, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, tap on your profile name, then select Settings. Then from there, you could tap on Company Details and you can edit your company details. You can also tap on Company Logo and you can upload a logo. After you have uploaded the logo, you can add your employees right here by selecting Users. You can tap on New User in the top right hand corner and you can fill in your employee information. After you have added your employees, better yet, you're going to tap on Overview from the top left hand corner. The next thing I want you to do is add contacts. So you're going to tap on Contacts in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on contacts, you can add new contacts or you can choose to import contacts. So we could tap on Add New Contacts in the top right hand corner. Then you can manually fill in their name and information as you can see right here. After you have created your first contact, I want you to tap on Work from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar, and we're going to tap on Projects. After you have selected projects, from here you'll be able to create your first project. So you're going to tap on Create Project. You can choose the contact name and you can give the project a name. So let's say, for example, Test. Then from there you can choose the status. After doing that, we'll scroll down. You can choose the currency. And you can also choose the budget. Let's say the budget is $100. We can type that in right there. And you can see hours per day. You can add in the hours. And you can add in the normal billing rate per hour. So let's say the billing rate per hour was $5. Then we could tap on Create New Project. So you can see that we have created our first project right here. To add future projects, you can tap on Add New Project in the top right hand corner. Also, if you would like to create an estimate, you can do that using Freeagent. By tapping on Work in the top left hand corner, you could select Estimates. Then you can tap on Create Your First Estimate. After doing that, you can select right there, Type, and we could create quotation or you could create an estimate right there. So let's say we were to select Quote. You can choose the project type. So let's say Test. You can put in the estimate reference number. Then from there, you can put in the estimate date and you're just going to tap on Create New Estimate. After you have done that, you can see that we have created our first estimate and you can choose to save it as a PDF or you could tap on More right here and you can choose to duplicate the estimate or add a new estimate right there if you want. Another thing you can use this platform for is time tracking. By tapping on Work in the top left hand corner, you could select Time Tracking. Then from there, you can add the customer name and the project. Then you will tap right where you see Task. So you can fill in the task right there. We could tap on Create a New Task and you could give the task a name. After you have given it a name, you can see the billable rate right there that we had created earlier. And we're going to tap on Create Task. After you have created the task, you can either choose to start a timer or you could fill in the time right there. So let's say, for example, 1, and we'll tap on Add Time Slip, and you can see that 1 hour has been added right there. And you can see that we have now created our first billable hour. After creating your first billable hour, you can use this platform to create an invoice. To create an invoice, you'll tap on Invoicing, then you'll tap on Create Your First Invoice. After you have selected Create Your First Invoice, you can select the contact that you like to bill. Then you can select the project. Then you can scroll down and you can see Include Unbilled Time Slip. You could do that if you want. So you're going to tap right there and we're going to tap on Include All Time Slip Online. Then from there you can scroll down, and if you like to include unbilled expenses, you can do that. And you can scroll down, and if you like to include estimates, you can do that. You can also edit the payment terms and the currency. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on create invoice. And you can see that we have created the invoice right there. Remember that we had set it for 1 hour, so you can see it right there. After you have created your invoice, you can choose to save it as a PDF, or you can choose to send it by mail. Another thing that you can also do with this platform, you can tap on bills, and from here you'll be able to create your first bill. So you can tap on select file, and you'll be able to upload your bill to keep track of it. And you can also keep track of your expenses by tapping on expenses from the top navigation bar, and you could create your expenses right there. To fill in your banking information, you could select banking, then tap on bank accounts, and from here you'll be able to connect your bank. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.